trying to hurry up and make some fucking food before the power goes out again.
Harry Potter!
Oh my god!
Oh, the fucking wizard!
Ha 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 ha.
Well, I guess it's only right if I test this out with my family. Where's Mom? Hey, Mom. So there's this trend where you, like, fake laugh until you real laugh. So, like, fake laugh and then, like, you try to, like, start up, like, ha 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 ha. See, you get it.
I don't think I should laugh for these people.
Just try
I
it.
really don't. Okay.
Try it. Try
okay.
it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta keep going. Just keep going. Ha ha ha. You know what you say like that? It sounds like a V8.
Rawr.
What sound is that?
A dinosaur.
A what?
Dinosaur.
It's a what?
Dinosaur.
Make the sound again.
Rawr.
Oh, you talking about them things from Jurassic Park? What is your name?
What?
What is your name?
Ezekiel.
Fuck you, Ezekiel.
What's your name?
Tony.
Fuck you, Tony.
Hey guys, whoever comes inside first gets the futon tonight, but the other person has to sleep on the floor.
Just never mind.
You know what happens when I get mad. You say that one more time. You wanna know what it feels to meet God personally?
Eating Pop-Tart without heating it up.
Wait. You didn't put them in the toaster? You're a degenerate. You're... Ew.
I did not come.
You laughed!
I should not be attacked for eating a popcorn. You just got coconut malt.
And it has two different modes for throw and flood. Yeah.
Hey yo, what the fuck is that?
Jesus Christ, you turned the sun on!
Alright, so you got a hamburger, no mustard, salt, pickle, onions, regular meat, so you just want to wrap with ketchup. That's all they wanted. They want us to take a wrap and put ketchup in it and send it out the window. That's what they want. What the fuck?
Bro, look at this fucking snow. Oh fuck. Oh, my shoe. No! You're dead ass right now. Are you?
Hey, you got a lighter? Oh shit! I quit smoking.
Victoria, you can't make this shit up. This one girl I saw on there was blow drying her twat. And then her husband comes in and he goes, "What are you doing?" She goes, "Making your dinner." And that gets fucking not banned on TikTok? What the fuck goes on here?
Go. Post 12 hours after sleeping wine.
Woke up in a bad mood. Now I'm having this as my reward. And it's 19 crimes, which I feel like committing today. Yes, this is how I feel. So this is what I'm doing. Woo-hoo!
Oh my god.
From the giant credit card to the giant ID. Now let's go get some reaction. How you doing, man?
Not too bad. How about you?
Good, man. Can I get a lottery ticket also?
Sure. You want to look at Mega Millions?
Yeah.
Okay. 419, can I see your ID real fast?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Where the fuck would you even get this made?
Shit, I mean, I got my people, man. How much is that?
419.
All right, man.
What? Does that just fucking work?
Yeah, it did.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Why are you throwing everything at me?
I know you're sensitive, but you gotta put your shit away. Staying here tonight?
Yeah.
$50. This is not a free hotel.
Gosh. Yeah.
Where's Normandy? He never came up, man. See? What did I tell her?
Well, you did.
No, I told you before you even fucking did it, but you did it. Fuck. Get your head.
What did you... That's a threat. I'm gonna tell my dad on you.
Tell him. I'll tell him what you're doing.
What am I doing?
Getting high at noon. Stay what? Staying till when?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Ow, ow, ow.
She's staying
Knuckle.
till Wednesday.
And today's what, Sunday?
Yep.
I better start drinking then.
Can I have this?
Sure. You can put it in the garbage when you're done. Yeah. That's what I thought.
I'm built different.
Oh my god, this is worse.
I'm built different. Mama, why do you have a bat?
Oh, thank goodness, Blake. I thought you were one of those Girl Scouts.
Little movie room, gadget, but ours.
One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, mother.
Alexa, Sand in My Boots by Morgan Wallen. Sorry, Mom.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not sure.
You dumb whore. Okay.
So big it's hard to grip it.
That's what she said.
And the good Lord said, "Arise, my son, arise, and you shall be healed."
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
See ya.
What two characters from a TV show best describe the relationship you have with your best friend?
Monster.
Soup.
Soup.
Monster.
8.
Soup.
Food.
Hungry.
Lunch.
Sure.
Ribs.
Absolutely.
Now?
Let's.
Line.
What?
Line.
What?
Line.
That's your line! What?
What would you do if I broke in your house?
Knock your ass out, motherfucker!
I just saved your life. Now save me 15% or more on car insurance, or it's over.